Matrix multiplication is the technical term for what could be the most important mathematical operation in our modern digitized world. It's the conductor of calculations across our digital infrastructure, orchestrating computer graphics, AI, financial modeling, your Google search, and more. And it's central to the discoveries of Josh Alman, whose mathematical breakthroughs ripple out from the digital world into the real one.
I enjoyed math basically since I can remember. Solving math problems is like getting to work on puzzles all day. It's like fun to try to work and struggle on them, especially when you have that aha moment and you figure out the solution to what you've been trying to work on. It's just a really great experience.
Some people relax to Sudoku. Some people, like Josh Alman, linear algebra and vector spaces. For Alman, numbers had always been his go-to source of entertainment.
I mean, even today, I still find math to be hard. Like a problem's not worth working on unless it's a hard math problem. My mom used to have fights with my elementary school teachers asking them to give me harder math questions to work on.
By his early 20s, Alman would be teaching high-level math to top students from Ghana.
There's a lot of students who are in like high school who are really smart and they have a lot of aptitude for math, but they might not have the like teaching resources that we have like in the United States for really developing those skills and teaching them more math. These are often like high school students. They could be doing anything in their summertime. Instead, they're like looking up notes and homework questions that I'm assigning to them. Their resilience and passion for it is really inspiring.
Alman would go on to design puzzles for contests at MIT, and later, as a rising star professor in Columbia's computer science department, he'd take on a puzzle that no mathematician had progressed in half a century, finding a faster way to do the math underlying modern computing. Enter the matrix.
A matrix is just like a two-dimensional grid of numbers of data, like an Excel spreadsheet. And it can store data and information in a lot of different ways.
Matrix multiplication is an operation that combines the data from two matrices into one. For many modern computer tasks, it's doing the heavy lifting inside the processor. If Alman could find a way to do matrix multiplication faster, computers could do the same work in less time. To find the number of spaces on a checkerboard, you could count all 64 one by one, or count two sides and multiply. In essence, Alman was looking for a way to do the infinitely more complex math of matrix multiplication in what amounts to fewer steps.
The target? Omega.
Omega, it's like the yardstick for measuring progress on designing faster matrix multiplication algorithms. The smaller you can make omega, the faster your algorithm will be.
And it really is consequential. Processors built for graphics or AI do billions or trillions of matrix multiplication operations per second. The bill is measured in time, chips, and watts. Consider this. As of 2026, US-based AI data centers alone require a sustained energy output equal to the output of 5 nuclear reactors. Lowering omega even a little could conceivably free up entire power plants. In 2010, Alman envisioned a groundbreaking new approach to the matrix multiplication algorithm. Seeing the process in a new light, Alman steered the half-century-long effort from what had become a dead-end path. He took omega below the postulated limits, opening the door to radical new possibilities, tightening the kind of math that underpins everything from AI to your Maps app, and paving the way toward massive savings in rare materials and billions in energy costs.
I think working on science is a lot of fun, and at the same time, it has a lot of really positive impacts for just everybody. Advances in technology have made our phones and computers a lot more powerful. Advances in medicine help make us feel better when we're sick. To me, a really fun area where you get to solve these interesting puzzles and at the same time, make the world a better place.